This is Arif Irfanullah, and I am going to give you a quick overview of our Level 1 crash course. So here is how this works. I want you to take one topic at a time. Let's say you start with quantitative methods. Take a reading. The first reading in quant is reading 5, time value of money. Review this, and you can review it quickly using our summary videos and our summary notes, which are based on the learning outcomes. Once you've done your review, then practice. Here you can practice questions from the curriculum, and you can use our Q bank, which also is based on learning outcomes. So for every learning outcome, we have several questions. Once you are done practicing reading 5, then move to reading 6, do the same thing, review, practice, and so on until you are done with quant. When you are done with all the quant readings, then do the quant quiz. We make one quiz available. In addition to our quiz, you should do the assessments which are available on the CFA Institute website. Those assessments are organized by topic. If you have any questions during your quant study, you should submit those questions to us. On the next slide, I'll show you a schedule. So quant questions need to come in by a certain date. I'm going to review all the questions that come in by that date, and then we'll post a video response to the questions that came in. Then follow the same process for the other topics. And again, for every topic, there is a date by when you should send in your questions. After you have completed all topics, then you should do mock exams. IFT provides one full-length mock exam, so that will have 2 parts, the morning exam and the afternoon exam. So you should do our mock exam, plus you should do the mock exams that are made available by the CFA Institute. If you have a mock exam that's being conducted in your area, so the local societies in several cities conduct mock exams, I would strongly encourage you to sit those exams also. Now that's not part of IFT, it's just my advice that you try and do as much practice as possible. Alright, so now what do you get from IFT? You get summary videos and slides. You get videos covering all the curriculum examples. So if during your studies you've been going through the curriculum examples and you did not understand some examples, or you want to know what were the main points in those examples, then you will get them over here. You'll also get summary notes, which are learning outcome based. So every learning outcome is summarized. You will get a question bank. This also is organized based on learning outcomes, and this is something that will really help you prepare for the exam. For every topic, there is going to be one quiz. You will get a formula sheet and video. Now, this formula sheet walks you through all the major formulas in the curriculum. As I mentioned earlier, if you have questions, you can submit those questions per schedule. This is the schedule. So quant questions should come in by 1st November, econ questions by 4th November, and so on. And these are the dates when I will release the video response. You will also get a mock exam, which has 240 questions. And I've created a video that explains all these questions. So if you don't understand something, you can watch that video. If you are interested in this crash course, you can register over here. If you are on a tight budget and cannot take this crash course, then you still get the summary videos. These videos are available on YouTube. You don't get the rest of this material, but I would still encourage you to work through all the curriculum questions, work through curriculum examples, do all the questions on the CFA Institute website, and try to do as many mock exams as possible. So that is it. Good luck with your final prep. And remember, the key to success is lots of practice. Bye-bye.